2-story home with attached garage and detached shed. Main floor laundry. New luxury vinyl planking installed in the kitchen and upstairs. Bathroom and kitchen updates. New interior paint. Open concept living room and dining room. Living room has wood-burning fireplace. Main bedroom with bathroom and walk-in closet. Fenced backyard paradise includes a fire pit area and pergola for outdoor entertaining or just enjoying some calm time in your dream backyard. Hampton Road Soccer and Sportsplex is minutes away, as is the Virginia Beach Amphitheater. Sentara Princess Anne Hospital and the YMCA is within 2 miles. 3 miles to Landstown Commons Shopping Center. All of this is just waiting for you to move in.